The Mould King 2018 train kit offers a fantastic building experience with its over 1,500 pieces and detailed instructions, making it an engaging activity for both kids and adults. Equipped with a motor, lithium battery, and LED lights, this model train comes with the added benefit of rail tracks and can be controlled via either a mobile phone app or a 2.4 gigahertz remote control. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, the building blocks are not only easy to assemble, but also compatible with other brands, ensuring a seamless integration into existing collections. This remote control train set is not just a toy, but a collectible, making it an ideal gift for enthusiasts and collectors of all ages. Mould King has meticulously packaged this set, and they offer excellent customer service by providing replacement parts if any are missing during assembly. The impressive design and functionality of this train kit make it a standout choice in the realm of building toys, providing endless hours of fun and creativity.